Welcome to our step-by-step tutorial on painting a winter wonderland. Today, we will guide you through creating a beautiful snowy landscape perfect for beginner. Are you ready to elevate your painting game? Today we are diving into the best material that can transform your artwork from ordinary to extraordinary. First, let's talk about brushes. The type of brushes you choose can drastically alter your technique and outcomes. Natural bristles are the best for you. Let's explore the paints. Acrylics are versatile and fast drying, making them perfect for beginner and pros alike. Oil paint, on the other hand, provide rich color and longer drying times. Finally, let's not forget about mediums. Experimenting with these can lead you stunning result. So, which material will you try in your next masterpiece? Write in comment. Unleash your creativity with our easy to follow painting tutorial designed specially for beginner. In this video, we guide you through 5 simple steps to create stunning art that will impress your friends and family. Whether you are picking up a paintbrush for the first time or looking to refine your skill, this tutorial is perfect for you. Join us and we cover essential technique, color mixing, brush stroke that will elevate your oil painting game. You will learn how to create beautiful landscape, abstract design and more, all while having fun. Get ready to explore your artistic side, transform a blank canvas into masterpiece. Don't forget to get there your material before starting and let your imagination run wild. If you enjoy this tutorial, make sure to like, comment, subscribe for more paintings, tips and tricks. Happy paintings! In this painting tutorial today we will explore 5 easy steps for beginner to create stunning art. Step 1 is gather your material. You will need a canvas, acrylic paint, brushes of various size and a palette. Don't forget a cup of water for rinsing your brushes and some paper towel to keep your workplace clean. Don't spread dirt here and there. Colors. Do a clean and neat job. Step 2 is choose your color palette. Select few colors that I have taken: some blue, green, yellow and white, brown, burnt umber. Start with primary color and mix them to create new shades, because the color which you made with yourself are having very different aura, so mix them to create new shades. This is a fun way to experiment with color blendings and much more. Step 3 is about sketching your design lightly. Outline your ideas on the canvas with a pencil. Don't worry about so much perfection, because this is your creative space. No worry, 1, 2, 3 times you will get better in your practice. Here is now step 4. Start painting. Begin with the background. Do a very light, subtle colors to your background. Work your way forward. Use broad strokes with your larger brushes for a larger area and giving them final finishing with the dry brush, flat, larger, blending the color to look smooth. Then smaller brushes you can work with detailing areas, for details, and always remember to layering, because the layering is always adding depth to your artwork. So if you really want any depth in your artwork, so you need to layering one by one to your artworks, and that will lead you to perfection, and that is your creativity. In this fifth step, or step 5, we have to add some finishing touches. Step back and assess your painting. Keep it minimum 5 feet distance from your eyes and observe it properly, how the colors are looking and hue, shades. Feel free to adjust any. Okay, if you like to adjust something, feel it free and work in any areas that need more color or detail. Actually, what is there, you have to trust your instincts. If you trust your instincts, you will get your desired result. And don't be afraid to be bold. This is a actually fun journey. You have to fun and learn to craft. And hence I told you before also that I am a passionate painter, that I am sharing my journey with you. If you want to support me in my journey with you, paint with me. And with my experience, I can tell you that the painting which don't have so much layering and good layering, light and shade, that will not look so good. And the enjoy of watching it you will never get without layering in the painting. And doing more layering and adjusting our finally painting our masterpiece. And there you have it, 5 simple steps to create your own stunning art. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please subscribe to the channel for more creative content. Happy paintings. As I told you that I am a passionate painter, sharing my journey with you all. So support me for more tutorials. Share among art lovers and art learners. And don't forget to press the bell icon buttons. And visit my channel for more tutorial. Hadimba Art Studio.